In this video, I will show you how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on Gmail. So you can see next to my inbox, I've got this number of 2147, which is currently the emails that have not been marked as read. Now, if you want to go ahead and mark all your emails as read, all you need to do is come up to the top left-hand corner to this box up here where it says select. Click onto this box, and what it's going to do is select, as you can see, 50 conversations. Now you can see next to this is some blue text which says select all the conversations in primary. So what we can do is give this a click, and once that's done, what you need to do is come up to the top and click onto this icon here which says mark as read. Once you've done that, you're going to get this pop-up confirmation saying that this action will affect all the conversations in inbox. All you need to do is go ahead and click OK, and what it's going to do is just take a minute or two to go through and mark these all as read. As you can see, we got this pop-up down here which says we've marked some conversations as read, and we'll do the same for any remaining conversations in a few minutes. So it does take a few minutes to go through and mark all your emails as read, but if you refresh your Gmail, just give it about 5 minutes or so, and all your emails in Gmail should now be marked as read. So that is how to mark all emails as read in Gmail. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.